Where are your Zoom recordings? If you've got the free version of Zoom, then when you hit record from your computer, you'll see the recording button here. And when you stop, you can pause the recording, but when you stop the recording, that is going to save that locally. Where do we see it? Let me show you. I'm going to stop that recording. Recording file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. Let's have a look at where those recordings are. So here is where the meeting is getting recorded, is getting converted, and that is where it is being saved. Now you can see your recordings here. Here they are in MP4 format. I've just done 3 recordings, and you've also just got the audio in M4A format. So if you just want the audio instead of the video and audio, this video includes the audio. So if you want to know where your recordings are, go to the recording tab. If you have a paid Zoom account, then you can look at your cloud recordings. Or if, like me, you've got a free account, go to computer recordings here. And here you can see the location of all of your Zoom recordings. I'm on an Apple Mac. On Windows it's going to be different, but you'll find them all listed here under recordings. You can select the recording. You can select the recording and delete it if you want. You can open it, rename it, and so on. Now, if you want to see how to find your recordings, check the Zoom support page, which is linked in the description here. It shows you how to find your cloud recording or the computer recording file location. And if you want, you can change the default location as well.